Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn how to delete a particular record from the MySQL table using the Python code. So before that we have already created a database called MyDB, and inside that database we have a table called student, and this is the data for the table student, which has two columns, name and roll number. And we already know the four steps to connect to the database. First one is importing the MySQL.connector. After that we need to create the connection object with the help of connect method, and the third step is to create the cursor object with the help of connection object and the cursor method, and the last step is to execute the query. All these details about these four steps are already covered in the previous videos of MySQL database connection. You can visit those videos before watching this particular video. Now in this video what we want to do, we want to delete a particular record. Let's say we want to delete this particular record which has the roll number 30 and name as Sam. So delete query is used, or the delete keyword is used in MySQL queries to delete a particular record. So let's create a variable called SQL. You can name any name for the variable here, and inside this you need to provide the MySQL query. So the query is delete is the keyword here, delete from. So here you need to provide the table name. So delete from student, as our name of table is student. So delete from student, and here you need to provide the where clause. If you don't provide where clause and you just provide this particular query delete from student, so all the entries inside this table will be deleted because you haven't provided any condition here which record you want to delete. If you just say delete from student, all these records will get deleted. But here you need to specify where, let's say roll number, let's say we want to delete this record where roll number is 30. So let's say roll number is 30. So this is our query to delete a particular record which has a roll number 30. After that we will say here execute statement. So that can be done with the help of cursor object, which is cur, then execute, and inside this execute you need to pass this SQL variable SQL. So I will pass this variable, and we know if you want to make any changes in the database table and that you want to get saved, then you need to make use of commit method. So here you need to provide the connection object. So here I have my connection object mycon. So I will say here mycon.commit. So with the help of this statement my changes in the database will be saved. And I can also provide here a print message on the console, and which will provide the row count. Let's say I execute this query and I want to know how many rows are affected with the help of this query. As you can see, I have provided here roll number 30, and here we have two entries for roll number 30, and name is Sam in both the cases, and roll number is also 30. So two rows should get deleted. So that we can cross check with the help of row count method. So here you need to provide the cursor object, which is our cur here on the line number 4. So cursor dot row count, and here you can print rows deleted. Let's say here deleted. Now let's save this and run now. So as here we don't have any errors, and you can see the message printed 2 rows deleted. So here 2 is generated from this particular cursor dot row count, which has the value 2 because 2 rows were having the roll number 30. If I re-execute this query, then you can see those particular 2 rows with the roll number 30 are deleted now. Here you can see only 4 records now for roll number 10, 20, 40 and 50.